Hello everyone, welcome back to the KMTRADERS channel. So we're taking a look at Euro USD. We can see that from last week we've had that huge sell-off into the market, so I'm looking to play onto this through the upcoming week. We can see that EMAs are slowly converging over, so there's something we can anticipate and progress into. We can also see there's a strong divergence forming over the last few days or so. So from the start of April, we can see that there's a decline in momentum as price is stepping up. So that's a good indicator that we could be looking at a sell-off. But again, I wanted to discuss some scenarios that we could be looking into for the upcoming week. So essentially what my first scenario is that we just get a retracement, a very small one, and it's just going to be from this range, from this high here, from the 28th of April to wherever price action is right now. So whether the price makes a way lower and then starts to retrace, or if we just start to retrace early, that's something that you need to look into and just be mindful of. But ultimately, we just want to see price retrace, make a nice retracement somewhere, and then look for that switch in momentum again, and that would be one setup that we could be looking into. And this one, it would just be a very simple retest structure trade, and you could be looking off of this as your entry point. Here's a nice inverse, or a nice inverse head and shoulder pattern. And the other one is if price makes a retracement and breaks this high. If it does break this high, we could be looking at a significant push higher. We could look at 1.22 or 1.215. Again, it's just where the market wants to push into, but ultimately we're focusing on the turnarounds in the market towards the downside. So that's our focus for the next week. We don't want to look at any buying options unless we can see any counter trades through the week, and that would be pushing into the retracements. But again, I think I would be preferable to look into the sell-off opportunities. So if we look at when we would look at buying opportunities, it would be if we start to break these zones here. So at 1.225 or at 1.235, these are your, there's the last level is this one here. This one could be your intermediate one. Again, this is much more riskier, I think. If we do break this one, I feel like if we make a break towards the upside here, it would definitely mean we're going to be a bit more bullish. So in short, as long as price stays below this level here, 1.235, we should be able to be confident to look into some selling trades over the next week or so. So if we look at where price is right now, we can look at a low of a target of 1.17 to 1.16, and that's coming to around just over 300 pips. So it's a good amount of rewards here. So I don't recommend you hold all of the trades or any of the sells for that amount of time, because again, this is a lot of pips to be covered here. So what I would recommend is just trailing your profits or securing them, or even closing your profits once you're happy with them. And of course, use your own due diligence there and your own risk management, and you'll stick to your trading plan, of course, and all those sorts of things in your trades. So again, that will be all from us throughout this Euro USD video. If you're new to this channel, feel free to join our trading group. That link is in the description. If you have any other questions, feel free to let me know, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So again, guys, I appreciate your time for watching, and we'll see you all in our next video.